Humans are great at imagining things, and what we saw on the internet was people imagining how they could move information and ideas around. 3D printing actually allows us to make ideas become physical realities.
It's evolving very quickly and people are finding different opportunities to use it in their business. It seems to be pushing out into lots of different markets and industries. And I think that's because of the rapid change in the actual materials that you can run through the printers.
Traditional manufacturing doesn't enable you to create some of the complex shapes that is possible through 3D printing technologies.
Well, I think there's a number of things that we bring to the industry that it currently doesn't have. We've got a professional sales organisation that work closely with our customers to give them great solutions. We are committing to an industry standardised SLA response time, which doesn't exist in the industry at the moment.
In fact, if you're clever about it, it's saying, well, gee, how can we reduce our costs and increase our margin by shipping information or rapid prototyping? How can they put out some of their designs and their software and co-create with the audience who then become brand evangelists, marketers, and they disseminate the products? We need to get involved and participate in the revolution and help shape it. In fact, a lot of companies will start shipping information and designs and software, and the goods will be manufactured where they're used with the consumer in the place where it's needed. So it's going to have a really powerful impact on the environment because we no longer need to ship certain goods all around the world.